When a member feels like their voice is heard, when a member feels like their thought matters, that they're being asked to be on a project because of their experience, their thoughts contribute to the project goal, that adds to a member's belonging. And the way we do that is we build a team where every discipline member is required to solve that problem is on that team. We know we are stronger together, and when we're able to meet in a room, discuss thoughts, connect on a different level outside of projects, that will provide better solutions to our clients. I am most proud to work at Foth because of my coworkers. I enjoy so much learning and growing, and being able to connect with these members and share this experience, solving our clients' toughest challenges is very rewarding.